Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my bilingual / Spanglish channel. My name is Esthela. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and trying makeup hacks. So I always start with my eyebrows, so that is what I'm going to start with as well today. And for my eyebrows, I really wanted to try this makeup hack in which you glue on your eyebrows, you brush them up, and they're supposed to look bien full, really nice, y toda la cosa, bien pispiris nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. Honestly, no sé si me gusta. So next, what I'm gonna try to do, I saw this in Maria Esthela's eyebrow tutorial where she used a way lighter shade concealer under her brows and then a more her tone concealer above her eyebrows. So vamos a ver cómo me sale. Me vi bien loquilla. Now I'm gonna go with my concealer. So other makeup hack is to put setting powder on your eyelids. That way when you go ahead and apply your eyeshadow, your eyelids don't crease. So usually I go ahead and do my eyeshadow, but today I'm gonna do my face next. So the very popular TikTok makeup hack going around is this one where you first apply your moisturizer, then your setting powder, then your setting spray, primer, and then your foundation. I've never tried that, so I'm curious to see how that's even gonna turn out. So I already moisturized my face. Let's go with the setting powder. Now I'm gonna go ahead y ponerme el setting spray. Ahora necesito que se seque para ver cómo va a quedar esta cosa. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this TikTok makeup hack. Okay, entonces ya se me secó el setting spray, and then next it says to use primer, but I never use it because I get acne. And what I've realized for my skin, when I apply primer, it makes my skin worse. So, and I read it somewhere that if you have acne, it's better not to use primer. Pero I'm not sure if that's works for everybody, but it works for me. But I'm not gonna go ahead and use primer, like I said, just it doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and move straight to my foundation. Y la foundation que estoy usando es la de NARS in this shade. Wow, it looks really nice. Como que se ve la piel bien smooth y toda la cosa. I feel like that left my skin looking very smooth and snatched. Todo iba bien, pero ya que me vi la forehead, no sé si pueden ver ustedes, se ve like toda dried up. ¿Y si ven? I don't like that at all. Pero bueno, the rest of my face está bien, solo lo que no me gusta es mi frente, se ve bien reseca. Que es conceal under my eyes tantito nomás. Y aquí. So, el nose contour makeup hack que vi es este, donde usas tu setting powder, de en vez de ponerte highlight and the bridge of your nose, lo que vas a hacer es usar el loose powder, your setting powder, loose powder, and you're just gonna use a very thin brush, o una brocha que esté así como the size of your nose, thin, whatever you have available, and you're just gonna go down like this, the bridge of your nose. Like that. And then you're gonna go in with your contour and usar este que está más oscurito. Try not to do a lot. And you're gonna go desde tu eyebrow and just follow the line del setting powder. So, let me get a mirror because así no veo. And you're gonna grab a darker contour shade y lo vas a poner aquí abajo de tu narizota. Gonna blend that in. Blend that in. I don't know if you can tell the difference how the bridge of your nose looks more highlighted. And just blend it in. Next, I'm gonna go and contour the rest of my face, and all I use is this light one. Ya pongo aquí nomás. Vamos a poner tantita. Así nomás. Poquito de algo. Y luego uso yo mi favorite highlighter, que es este de Ofra, no sé si así se dice, Star Island. Y si han visto mis otros videos, pues ya saben que este es el que siempre uso porque me encanta, me encanta, me encanta. Otro little hack que puedes hacer cuando te vas a aplicar tu, when you're gonna apply your highlighter, is put some setting spray on your brush. Y ponlo aquí en tu highlight. Y para el highlight de tu nariz, lo único que vas a querer hacer es agarrar con tu dedito, así. Y ponerlo nomás arriba, en the tip of your nose. Un poquito aquí también si quieres. Okay, so para my eyes, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Sculpture Palette. Y voy a estar usando el color Roxy, que es este que está aquí. Para aquellas que están principiantes y no estás empezando a learning how to do your makeup, lo que yo recomendaría es que yo lo que hago cuando hago mi maquillaje, I always start at my crease. So, wherever your crease is, ahí empieza. Wherever your crease is, start there. So. Y nada más blend. O hazle como los wipers de tu car, así on the crease of your eyeball, eyelid. ¿Y así ves? And like, I'm not an expert, I'm not a makeup artist or anything like that, but I'm just showing you guys kind of like how I do my makeup, trying some makeup hacks and what usually works for me. So when I'm doing my eyeshadow, when I start at the crease and just blend, that pretty much does a trick for me. I'm gonna be using Adorn. I'm only gonna put it like in the center of my eyelid. Y luego poco a poquito, little by little, I'm gonna bring it up to where my crease is. Okay, so I'm back now and I already have my eyelashes on, put on mascara. So what's left is lipstick. And I always like to put on chapstick before I even apply my lipstick. For lip liner, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl in Dark Peach. Right now it's been one of my favorite. So déjame lo pongo. So I just used this lip liner and just put it all over my lips because I really like this color. And so there we go for my makeup look. Y ahorita we're gonna move on to hair. For hair, I really don't have a lot of time. Quería como hacerme curls or something, pero como no tengo tiempo, I'm going to just straighten it. Alright guys, so I already straightened my hair, and well, that will conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed Get Ready With Me, and I'll see you guys in my next